This is for the Vanderbilt Beach Road widening project, which is going from just east of US 41 to east of Goodlet Frank Road. It's about 1.8 miles. And it's a segment of road that is currently 4 lanes. It's going to be widened to 6 lanes, and that'll be taken from what is now the median area. This was originally planned as a 6-lane roadway, but when they built it, they built 4 lanes for the time. And now that we're getting more growth in this area, more traffic congestion, there's a need to widen the road again, and that'll make it 6 lanes wide when it's completed.
And it will basically be culminating the 6-lane corridor stretch from Vanderbilt Beach Road from 41 to 951. This is the last 4-lane section of that corridor. So essentially, we're trying to improve congestion of traffic is the major goal of this. We have it's going to be intersection improvements at Goodlet Frank Road, some redesigned signals, replace some signals, a dedicated U-turn west of Goodlet Road intersection on Vanderbilt. We'll improve the paving throughout the whole stretch. We also have a stormwater crossing that is crossing under Vanderbilt Beach Road that is going to be improved as part of this project.
At this point, we're at the 60% design plans, which means we still have 40% design left to go. So by early in 2022 is when we expect to have those 100% design plans. And once we do, that'll be put out to competitive bidding, and a contractor will be chosen and then brought to the Board of County Commissioners for their approval. And then once that's done, we'll have a contract negotiated and probably start construction in the fall or maybe even the summer of 2022.
At 60%, we're pretty far along. So if we need to make any changes, now is when we need to make them, and that's why we have the public information now. If we get to 90, once we get to 90%, everything has been solidified. So it's very much more difficult to make a change at that point without stopping the project and slowing it down. So right now 60% is good time to get everybody together. We may get some different opinions and different ideas, and going forward we can try to make those changes, or we can look at them. At least we can explore them in the next 90 days until we get to the 90% plans, 100% plans. We should be at full design, 100% design plans by December of this year.
It's very important to get the public to provide input on these projects, especially at this point in design where the changes can still be made. It's much harder when the design is completed to have to go back and adapt something at that point. So we do appreciate their input now. Of course, if they do have things that they think need change later, we can try and work with them on that as well.